Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami lion. This model is not that hard to fold and it looks really nice. You only need a square sheet of paper of any size you prefer. For the first step, fold the paper in half along both diagonals, making an X. Now rotate the paper to this position and bring the top right edge to the middle. Don't fold all the way, just from the middle to the top. Once this crease is done, repeat the same step in the bottom side. Now that we have both creases, close this corner and fold it up. Reinforce the folds then repeat the same on the left side. First make those two diagonal folds then close the corner and fold it up. With this finished, turn the paper to this position, flip it over, and fold it in half. For the next step, we will make some reference folds. First, fold the right side to this top corner. Unfold, then take the crease we just made and fold it down. Now fold this edge to the same crease. And unfold again. To make the next step easier, reinforce those three fold lines by folding them the other way. After that, open the paper and using the lines we made, fold the smaller part over the larger part. Then fold the paper back along the other two lines. This is the result. Now, bring the small center flap to the right. Then fold the left side all the way to the right side. Now fold this same layer up to the fold we just made. Unfold. In the middle layer, we'll need to bring the diagonal edge to the crease we just made, folding like this. Next, open the larger part on the left and flatten the paper using the creases we just folded. Pay attention now. For the head details, we will bring the top corner to this side corner here. And make a fold only from the center of the paper to the left. This creates a small diagonal crease. Repeat the same step on the other side. With these two diagonals ready, make a new horizontal fold below, folding the paper back. Now, open the left side of the paper by bringing the last crease we made to the side. Then again, bring the top corner to the right corner, folding on the same line as before. Now we have some extra paper in the middle. Let's bring it down, keeping the edges aligned, and unfold. Now repeat the same step on the other side. First open the paper, then bring the top corner down to the left corner, press the middle part flat, and unfold. With all these lines made, open both sides at the same time. And then close both sides by bringing the paper down and using the lines we just made. For the next step, fold the middle flap to the left, fold this corner up, then fold this edge to this crease. Now bring the middle layer to the right. And repeat the same on this side. Now in this middle flap, fold the diagonal edge to the vertical line here. Unfold. Open this part of the paper. And press it flat. For the last detail, fold this bottom corner up. And then fold it back down. This is the result. As an optional detail, you can also fold this corner here. And our origami is finished. Thanks to that last fold, you can put it in this position. If you like this model and want to make another lion, you can try this other version here by clicking this card or using the link I left in the comments. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.